So good morning children. So today we are going to start the new topic carbon compounds in daily life. Okay, it is impossible to think of our day-to-day life without carbon. We cannot run the life. Okay, we cannot run the life. For example, if you are using the plastics are made up of what? Carbon compounds. Okay, carbon compounds. Okay, the basic material which is present in the plastic, carbon. Okay, so the including based on what carbon compounds. Okay, so we are using the fuels, carbon nanomaterials, plastics, carbon filters, and carbon steel, etc. Okay, so many substances we are using. Okay, that are made up of what? Carbon. That are made up of what? Carbon. Okay, suppose that carbon compounds. Okay, so with the help of carbon we are preparing the compounds. Okay, the compounds are called carbon compounds. Okay, suppose we may allow to burn the carbon compounds, they are releasing what? Carbon monoxide, cyanide, okay, etc. Okay, so these gases are harmful to us. Okay, so in this topic we are going to study. Okay, so what is mean by plastics? Okay, in what way we have to use the plastics? Okay, so what are the chemicals are present in the plastics? How to avoid the plastics? Okay, so instead of plastics, okay, what they have recommended other items. Okay, so these things we are going to see in the class. Okay, so first we are seeing plastics. So what is the definition for plastics? Okay, so plastic is nothing but what? Catenated long chain carbon compounds. Okay, catenated long chain organic compounds. Catenated long chain organic compounds is known as plastic. Okay, they are made from the long chain organic compounds are called polymer resins. Polymer resins. Okay, so why we are using the plastics? Okay, instead of wooden piece or some other materials, why we are focusing only plastic? Because of convenient and cheap. Okay, because of what? Convenience. Okay, suppose we may spend 1 or 2 rupees, we will get the carry bag or some other materials. Okay, that are made up of plastics. Okay, next convenient. Okay, we can fold or we can carry one place to another place. That is very easy. Okay, but nowadays we are using smartphones, computer, internet. Okay, so many areas we are using the plastics. Okay, that are made up of what? Carbon compounds. Okay, next one, drawbacks of plastics. Drawbacks of plastics. So what is mean by drawback? Drawbacks of plastics. Suppose we may use the plastics. What is that? Disadvantages. Okay, that is called what? Drawbacks of plastic. Okay, first one, it will take very long time. Okay, it will take what? Very long time to destroy. Okay, it will take what? Very long time to destroy. That means what? Breakdown in nature. Breakdown in nature. Okay, so many microorganisms are present in the soil. With the help of microorganisms, we are destroying the plastics, but easily it will not destroy. So it will take long time to destroy. Okay, that is the first point. Okay, second one. Okay, breakdown plastics are too few in nature to deal with the quantity of plastics we produce. Okay, that is the second point. Okay, so third one. Okay, some of the plastics. Okay, some of the plastic does not get recycled. Okay, does not get what? Recycled. Okay, recycled. Okay, some of the plastics we cannot able to recycle. That means what? We cannot able to convert it. Again, we cannot convert it into plastics. Okay. Fourth one. Okay, some of the plastics they have added what? Chemical additives. Chemical additives. That means what? Some of the chemicals they are adding. Okay, some other purpose, for coloring purpose, for flexibility purpose, strength purpose, some UV resistance purpose, they are adding some of the chemicals. Okay, the chemicals are also very dangerous to us. Okay, burning of the plastics, they are releasing what gases? Toxic gases they are releasing. Toxic gases they are releasing. For example, dioxin gases also toxic gases. Okay, next one, last point. Okay, so one time use and throw plastics. One time use and throw plastics are very dangerous to the environment. Okay, suppose we are using the water pouch or plate or carry bag or cutleries, after using immediately we are throwing outside. So where it will deposit? Either it may go river, lake or pond. Okay, so it will occupy the surface of the land. So it will not allow to enter into the rainwater where to the soil. So it will affect the total environment. So these are all the drawbacks of what plastics. Okay. Next one, identify the different types of plastics. Okay. So many types of plastics we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay. How can we identify? Okay. So which plastics are useful to us and which plastics are does not useful to us. Okay, so based on the resin code, based on what resin code, okay, so we can identify that, okay, these plastics are useful to us and these plastics are not useful to us. Okay, so before that, what is mean by resin code? What is mean by resin code? Okay, so each plastic is composed of different types of polymer or set of polymers. So we want to study the resin codes. Okay, so plastics are made up of what? Different types of chemicals. Okay, different types of what? Polymer or different types of molecules are present. Okay, some of the molecules we can able to recycle, some of the molecules we cannot able to recycle. Suppose during the recycle time, okay, each molecules cannot mingle with each other. Okay, that is the major drawback of what during the recycling process. Okay, so one molecule, okay, may mix it with another one molecule, we may convert it into another one molecule, but in that case this molecule is not mixed with this molecule, so we cannot able to convert, we cannot able to convert or we cannot able to recycle. Okay, that is the major reason. Okay, so in the year of 1988, government has framed, okay, resin codes. Okay, so what is mean by resin codes? Okay, 3 chasing arrows in a triangle. 3 chasing rays in a triangle. So in this way, 3 chasing arrows in a triangle. Okay, there is a number in middle. There is a number in middle at the bottom. What letters under the triangle? For example, PET. Okay, one means what PET. Okay, second one. Okay, the same way. So instead of this, I am drawing triangle shape. Okay, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, usually we have to draw in this way. Okay, because of the time durations. Okay, I am using the triangle shape, but we have to use what now? 3 chasing arrows in a triangle. Okay, first one PET, second one HDPE, third one PVC. Fourth one LDPE, okay. Fifth one PP, sixth one PS, seventh one other. Seventh one other. Okay. Okay, these are all the resin codes we are using in our day-to-day life. Okay, the resin codes it will start usually 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Okay, so seventh one is a very dangerous one. Okay, it will not come into this category. Which category? 1 to 6th category it will not include. It will not include. Okay, so how to identify the resin codes? So if you are buying the milk packet or something, either the bottom side or top or the middle side they have pasted in the resin code. So based on this we can identify what type of chemicals they have used to make this type of plastics. So with the help of resin codes we can identify what type of chemicals they have used to prepare this type of plastics. Okay, suppose if you are using water pouch, so what type of chemicals is present in the pouch? So with the help of resin code, we can identify. Okay, so next one, harmful effects of plastics. Harmful effects of plastic. So what is meant by harmful effects? What is meant by harmful effects? Suppose we may allow to burn the plastics. Okay, it is releasing the chemicals. Okay, the chemicals definitely it will affect our human body. Okay, it will affect our health. Okay, second one, suppose if we are using the one-time plastics, we may throw. Okay, so it will affect our health. Okay, it will affect our health. What is spelling for health? H-E-A-L-T-H. Okay, next the one-time plastic throw away. Plastic causes what more? Pollutions. Okay, so these are all the two major effects of what more? Plastic, harmful effects of plastic. One is it will affect our health. Okay, it will affect our entire human body systems. Second one, if we are throwing the one time use and throw plastics, it will affect our environment and to create what more? Pollutions. Okay, first one, harmful plastics. So different types of plastics contains what more? Different types of chemicals. Harmful plastics. Harmful plastics. Okay, so why we are adding the chemical to the resins to make the plastics? Because of what more? Flexibility, strength, color and fire or UV resistance. For this purpose we are adding the chemical additives. Okay, the following resin codes are unsafe. Okay, so what are the resin codes? 3, 6 and 7. Okay, just now we have seen 1 to 7 resin codes. Okay, among 7, okay, the following resin codes are very dangerous. Okay, what are they? Resin code number 3, 6 and 7 are very dangerous. Okay, so first one we will see number 3. Okay, so first one we will see number 3, that is called what ma? PVC. So PVC is nothing but what ma? Polyvinyl chloride. Okay, this polyvinyl chloride contains what ma? Heavy metals like cadmium and lead are very dangerous to our human health. Okay, the same way they are adding one chemical additives, that is called phthalate. Okay, next burning PVC releases dioxin. Releases what gas ma? Dioxin gases releasing. Okay, these are all the what ma? Disadvantages points of PVC. Okay, first one they are adding two types of chemicals. One is cadmium, another one is lead. Next they are adding the phthalates. Okay, that is chemical additives. Next we may allow to burn the PVC. It is releasing dioxin gases. Okay, these dioxin gases are very dangerous to our human body. Okay, next one, resin code number 6, that is called polystyrene plastics. Polystyrene plastics, POLYSTYRENE. Okay, polystyrene plastic is a building block of this plastics and cause many cancer. Okay, so cancer already we know. So unwanted tissues growth in our body to causes what ma? Cancer. Suppose if you are using this type of plastics, definitely they will affect what type of disease ma? Cancer disease. Okay, so it takes very long time to break down. Okay, minimum 100 years to 1 million years. 1 million years. Okay, minimum 100 to 1 million years it will take to destroy in that environment. Okay, next one, higher amounts of toxic styrene leak in our body, food and drinks when they are in hot or oil conditions. Okay, suppose if you are taking the food or something in hot conditions, if we are using this polystyrene, it may release the toxic gases. Okay, next is 7th one. It is a what ma? Acronitrate butastyrene. Acronitrate butastyrene. Okay, so it causes what ma? It will affect the eyes, skin and digestive system and lungs. Okay, skin, eyes, okay, lungs and digestive system it will affect. Okay, which one ma? 7th one. Okay, that is called what ma? Acronitrate butastyrene. Okay, 7th one. Okay, brominated flame retardations, that is PFOs, are often added. Okay, so these are all the what ma harmful effects of plastics. Okay, what are the resins for ma? 3, 6 and 7. Okay, so next one, what is the rules and regulations? What is the rules and regulations? Before that we will see, so what is mean by one time use and throw plastics? One time use plastics. So we are using different types of plastics. Okay, either few seconds or few minutes. Often next we are throwing through the society or environment. So it will affect our total environments. So what are they? Okay, so it will block the drains and pollute water bodies. So carry bags. What are the things ma? Carry bags. Second one, cups. Third one, plates. Next one, straw, etc. So these are all the materials we are using only one time. Okay. Not regularly we are not using. Just one time we are using, we are throwing outside. So with the help of these things, it will pollute our environment. Okay, next one, new rules to make Tamil Nadu free from plastics. So what is the rule? So in the year of 1988, central government they have framed on rules and regulations how to use the plastics. How to use the plastic in which year? 1988. So based on this, okay, state government framed a new rule, TN Tamil Nadu GO number 84, Tamil Nadu government order number 84, government order number 84, date when ma? 25/6/2018. Okay, they have framed certain rules. Okay, so with the help of rules we have to make what ma? Or we have to make or we have to use the plastics. Okay, again they have implemented. Okay, they have framed rules and regulations which date 25/6/2018. But when they have implemented ma? 1/1/2019. Okay, 1/1/2019. Okay, they have started to follow. Okay, so after that we cannot, without government permissions, we cannot what ma? Produce the plastics. We cannot able to supply the plastics. We cannot able to transport the plastics. So with the help of this law, we can able to control the which one ma? Plastic production, storage, supply, transport, sale and distribution of one-time plastics. Okay, why they have brought these rules and regulations? Okay, with the help of these rules and regulations, we can able to control the plastics things. What are the things? Productions we can able to control, storage, supply, transport, sale, distribution of one-time plastics. Okay, next one, banded items. Next one, what ma? Banded items. So what is mean by banded items? Means what ma? That we cannot use. That we cannot use. Banded items. So what are the items they have stopped? Okay, first one, plastic carry bag. Plastic carry bags. Why they have stopped? Okay, so globally we are using 2 million plastic bags. 2 million 2 million plastic bags every minute we are using. Okay, you think about every minute. Okay, entire world of peoples they are using how many plastics? 2 million plastics. Okay, 97% of the plastic bags do not get recycled. Do not get recycled. 97% of the one-time use plastics. Okay, next one. Animals can eat these plastic bags by accident. Yes, they contain food. A cow was found with over 70 kilo. Okay, 70 kilo of plastic bag they found in Verna stomach. In its stomach they found 70 kgs. So that only they have branded which one plastic carry bags. Next one, plastic plates. Second one, plastic plates. Plastic plates. Okay, second branded items, plastic plates. Okay, dirty plates are difficult to recycle. Okay, second point, most of the one-time use plates are made up of resin code number 6. Resin code number 6 is present in that plastic plates. Okay, plates will be used for only 20 minutes. Okay, maximum 20 minutes to 30 minutes. But they stay in the environment over 1,000 years. Okay, 30 minutes we are using, but it may stay how many years? 1,000 years it will stay in that environment. Okay, next water pouches. Third one, water pouches. Third one, water pouches. Okay, so water pouches are often used to increasing the plastic pollutions. Okay, the blueprint on the clear plastic pouch decreases the recycling value, blue color. Okay, next one. One water bottle pouch is used, it is difficult to recycle as it contains leftover water and gets covered to dirty. Okay, next one, plastic straw, plastic seeds. Okay, so fourth one, what plastic straw, and fifth one, plastic seeds. Plastic seeds. Okay, so these are all the items to be banned by the state government and the central government. Okay, the same way plastic seeds also we cannot able to recycle. Okay, 90% of the seedboards have indigested plastic such as straw. Okay, the same way plastic seeds. Okay, so plastic seeds usually in top of the plates get dirty and cannot be recycled. Okay, more chemicals leak from plastic into food when it is hot, spicy or oily. Animals such as cow, goat and dog eat plastic by accident because it smells like food. Okay, next, role of students in the prevention of plastic pollutions. Okay, so you are a students. So how can control the plastic pollution? In what way we have to control the plastic pollution, or in what way we have to prevent the plastic pollutions? Okay, so we have to teach the scientific knowledge. So at least we have to explain to the public about what scientific knowledge about the plastics. Okay, second one. Okay, avoid harmful plastics by searching the resin codes. So we have to explain about what resin codes. Okay, so automatically they will get aware of the uses of plastic. First we have to explain about what is mean by plastics, what are the chemicals are present in the plastic, we may use the plastic, what will happen. That is called scientific technology. Second one, resin codes. Suppose we may use this type of resin code, it will affect environment. Suppose we may use this type of code, it will not affect our environment. So in this way we have to explain. Okay, third one, you can educate them about new rules and how important it's to stop one-time plastics. Okay, next one, rules and regulations you have to explain. Okay, so in this way we can prevent the plastic pollutions. Okay, next, practice in your daily life. Okay, suppose wherever we may go, either shop or wherever, we should not carry what ma'am? Plastic items. Okay, suppose they may pack into some materials. Okay, that material should not contain what ma'am? Plastics. Okay, so maximum we have to use what type of things ma'am? That are made up of cloth materials. Instead of plastic, we can use to cloth materials. Okay, next one, do not use thermocol for your school project. Okay, next one, do not burn the plastics. Okay, so we are, do not burn the plastics. Okay, next, so if you are dumping the waste things into the municipalities or corporations, before that we have to segregate the plastic. So these are the plastics we can able to recycle. Okay, these are the plastics we cannot able to recycle, we have to segregate. Okay, and next, we should not get the food items that are made up of with the help of what ma'am? Plastics. Okay, that we should not buy. Okay, last point, at least we have to educate one person per day. So in this way we can control the plastic pollutions. Okay, so thank you children. That's all. Which lesson is over? Lesson number 15 is over. Okay, so today homework ma. Okay, today homework. Okay, yesterday continuous question number have given 17, 18, 19. Okay, 17, 18, 19. Okay, today homework ma 20, 21, 22 and 23. Okay, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, take your textbook, page number 183. Page number 183. Okay, 20th question. Okay, 20th question, 4th Roman letter, 5th question. 4th Roman letter, 5th question, 20th question. 21st, 5th Roman letter, 3rd question. 5th Roman letter, 3rd question. 22 question number, 6th Roman letter, 2nd question. 6th Roman letter, sorry, 3rd and 4th. 3rd and 4th. Okay, that is the homework. Okay, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, 4th Roman letter, 5th question. 5th Roman letter, 3rd question. 6th Roman letter, 3rd and 4th. Okay, so continuous question number should be given. Okay, 22, 23. Okay, so that's all. Which lesson is over? Lesson number 15 is over. Okay, so Monday we are going to start the new lesson. Okay, 16th lesson, applied chemistry. 16th lesson what ma? Applied chemistry. Okay, so thank you students. Remaining part we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.